When we are talking of best goal scorers, how are we not speaking about Cristiano Ronaldo? My God, why are you not in this conversation? Why is Cristiano Ronaldo not in this same conversation? Why is Bruno Fernandes not in this conversation? If I click on I open on who has the most assists, eti Alexander Isak. How? Hii Portugal itashinda World Cup kweli? Messi, Haaland, Mbappe. Ah, man. Portugal, you guys need to score 9 goals today, bana. Bruno Fernandes, I need more assists from you, bana. Hey, it's taking too much. Your fans tunaumia huko bana. My God, you need to score 4 goals today. You need to score a howl. Today we cannot take another loss, man. A draw here again will be another loss. Messi akona 5 goals. Haaland akona 4 goals. Mbappe akona 4 goals. Ah, bana, my God needs to enter this conversation. He should be top there hapo number 1, and then Messi akwe number 2, and then hao wengine wafuate. You guys need to score 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 goals today to kill this shame.